What the Truck Wednesday, Russell here, nissanparts.cc. It's been a minute since the last time you saw me here on a Wednesday talking about trucks, SUVs, all that good stuff. This banner came in. Probably the least exciting thing happening today. But I thought it was cool. Cool Pro 4X Roush. They even put the topographic map on there. I feel like they copied our Nismo banner, but that's fine. Nissan North America finally officially announced that the Nissan Xterra is coming back. They also stated that they are exploring a family of 5 US-built body-on-frame platforms, including the all-new Xterra, with potential expansion to pickups and multi-row SUVs across Nissan and Infiniti brands. I don't care anything about the Infiniti brands. Let's talk about the Xterra and pickups. I mean, for me, I hope that the Xterra is a revamped version of the old Xterra. I hope it's as utilitarian as it was. I hope that Nissan does not go crazy with the technology outside of, engine and drivetrain systems and things like that. Stay away from the interior. It doesn't need massaging seats. It doesn't need, panoramic sunroof. Let's make that thing, basic plus. Body on frame pickups. I'd be interested to know, what do you guys think? What do you think Nissan's cooking up as far as body on frame pickups go? That one kind of surprised me with the exit of the Titan, and obviously the Steady Freddy with the Nissan Frontier, which is, in my mind, a great predecessor to the hard body, the D21. But I'd love to see another pickup. What do you guys think? Another thing I'm curious about is what powertrain and what engine they would put in the new Xterra. If any of you guys have ideas of, technology on, or engines on the Infiniti side, a lot of times that's what happens is Infiniti will have a motor piloted for a while that works out good. They get it sorted, and then Nissan starts throwing it in some of their vehicles. Yeah, I'd be interested. Are we back for What the Truck Wednesdays? I don't know. We'll see. Definitely be before 2028 because I got plenty of stuff to talk about. Maybe I should go grab one of these Roushes and go drive it around, do some videos. What do y'all think? All right. Nice seeing you guys. Hit subscribe, like the video, leave a comment. I haven't heard from y'all in a long time. I'd like to know, what you've been up to, what's going on. Got any cool things going on with builds, new Nissans in the driveway, things like that. Thank you. Bye.